Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Let us continue our ICT class. Okay, in the last class we said about how can we do production per acre, and we want to find out in who got the who got the maximum production per acre and who got the second place, third place, etc. also we seen here children. Okay, I think all of you understand that. If anybody didn't understand, please ask me what you didn't understand. I will say and give you. Okay, children, you understand that after completing this chapter we have an exam for this chapter and fifth chapter also. Okay, together one class test you have. Is it clear children? Therefore I am going to completing this. Next Saturday let us take that class. Okay, sorry, that test. Look here, this is questionnaire consolidation. What we want to study here, let us beautifying the table, activity 6.5. in that say you can see that there is a model of this table in figure 6.12, formatted and beautified table. Okay, how we can format and beautify this, let us see. Now first we can select this heading. How it needs to be? It needs to be up to here, and we needs to merge these cells, isn't it? Therefore let us select first this complete cells up to production per acre. Then after that what we need children, we can take merge cells, merge and center, where that format in format merge cells, merge and center also here. Here also you can see, here also you can see merge and center. Therefore click from anywhere. Do you see now merge and center how it is happened? Is it clear? Let us little more make bigger that, bold it. After that if you need to make it a little more font size, let us do that. Then if you need to give a different font color, from here itself you can take all that children. You learn that also instead of menus. Magenta I am giving. Is it right children? If you don't like that, let us little more dark color, violet, or which one you need children, red or you need. This way in from your textbook, that is dark red is given there in bold. Okay, let us take that. All of you know that children. Next one is that what that is quantity of vegetables produced in kilogram. There is one row we need. Therefore what we will do, we studied that how we can insert a row. Click here and right click, then insert row above we can select. Otherwise how children? Otherwise insert format note children, insert row, insert where sheets, in sheets menu you can say insert rows above. Okay, this way also you can insert children in all the commands inside the menus, and these toolbars help you to do that commands directly instead of taking from the menus. Is it clear now? From sheets menu you will get insert rows, but easily we can right click here and insert rows above, easily we can take. Okay, let us continue. Look here, let us little more make smaller than that. Okay, then next up to where we need to merge this and write there quantity of vegetables produced from after house name to production per acre. Okay, from Pinach onwards we want to select that. Then we can merge first. After that also you can write there, children. If you write there, after that you can select and merge, otherwise you can merge after that select. Merging means what, children? Connecting the cells. Okay, connecting the cells together. Then inside there we can write quantity of vegetables produced in kilogram. Quantity of vegetables produced in kilogram. Okay, bracket in kg. In kg, quantity of vegetables. Spelling is something wrong. Vegetables I don't want, isn't it, children? Vegetables. Because, do you understand here one reading come because of what? Because of the spelling mistake. Vegetables produced. Big quantity of vegetables produced in kg, now in merged cells, isn't it? Okay, that is the merging of cells. Next one, what we want to do, children? We can format the headings. This one, why you are saying? Because of I am prepared here this way, that is why. Okay, look here now, here one red mark, that means that heading is not completely in this cell. Okay, that is why we are making it as little more bigger now. Okay, but it is not as in a good manner, children. Therefore, let us select the headings and we want to format that. Okay, let us format, select the format from the format cells, from the format menu, from format cells, from the format menu. Let us take that. Okay, now we can give this one, text orientation, wrap text automatically. I showed you wrap text automatically means these cells we can give. Okay, these, what will happen while we are giving wrap text automatically, then how its width, according to the width the lines will be jumped to the next line, or it will adjust. Look here, that is this measure of land used in acre. Now in how it is adjusting, do you see? Okay, that is in one line now. Do you understand, children? Measures of land used in acre in one line now. Now I am going to, don't want this much area for that data. If we are using this much area for that data, what will happen? We can't see more than that here. Production per acre is now in the at most right portion, isn't it? Therefore, we need to adjust this cell. Look here, what is happened now? Measure of land used in 2 lines. Now that is in 3 lines. How we are adjusting? According to that is adjusting. Now you can see this much small cannot include this heading. Therefore, what we need, we want to little more, make it little more bigger for see that properly. Okay, click here and adjust it. Do you see now? Now completely we can read measure of land used in acre. If we adjust then also it need a little more space there, that is why. Okay, now if you need to make it as center, let us make it as center. Okay, now you can properly read it. Like this way, the complete cell we can select and make a center. Is it clear now, children? and spinach in 2 lines, isn't it? Spinach have in textbook in 1 line, therefore let us little more make it bigger. Okay, cucumber also in 1 line, let us make it as little more bigger. Why? When we are giving wrap text automatically, then only it will be coming in the next line. That means that will be jumped automatically to the next line, not in next cell, children. Lady's finger in 2 line, here also in 2 line. Beans etc. production per acre in 2 line. N also needed there. Okay, there, this way. Is it clear? If we activate from format cells this wrap text automatically, do you see this properties, wrap text automatically, then only that will come in this way, otherwise that will come in the inside that cell itself without like this way. Okay, next quantity of vegetables produced in kilogram, we prepared that. This side is okay, but look here, this empty portions we don't have in our model. What we will do there, children? We want to make these 2 cells merge. Okay, what is happened if we merge this type of formatting come here? We don't want that, isn't it? Okay, let us undo that. Okay, simple merging only we need, isn't it? Okay, then also that is coming. Then look here, children, why this formatting is coming there? Because of these all are selected. Automatic we need to select. Automatically which color? Yes, black color we got. Look there. Do you understand that this font color we need a automatic color? Okay. Then let us merge it. That is coming that way because sometimes in that cell, that format, because of that, children, do you see this type of formatting is active there? Here not. Here that completely together selected. Okay, that is it. Let us avoid that. Make font color black, then what a little more less size 15 only. Okay, don't want 14 only, isn't it? 14 also bold don't want, that is okay. Now 14 size we merged together this, then this also merged, children. Now 10 size came here. Okay, we need after merging let us change the size. Okay, now merged all the cells. Now all together we can select and give the size as 14. Now look, if that is 14, then it has some problem because the inserted cell have no wrap text, I think. Format cells wrap text automatically. Once more click and click on OK. Do you understand that, children? Wrap text is not active if we added one row. We need to make that once more. Now it is okay, isn't it? Now according to your textbook, our table is ready, but it have no border here. We need to add a border also, children. Let us study to add a border. Look here. This way we want to select first. After that, what we need in our textbook saying that format cells, isn't it? Format cells, then borders we want to take. All of you want to fill up that dashed portion from in your textbook. Page number 98, you can see one of the table, picture 6.14. In that you can see this window. Okay, let us look here. Format cells borders for getting borders. Here you can see set outer border only, set outer border and horizontal line, set outer border and all inner lines. This we want to select. Do you see now? Click on. Then you can select the color from here, line style, color, etc. We let us take one line style. Then width, if you need inner lines width, don't want to increase children, that is why we need this much only. Okay, then inner lines, if we increase the width, that is not suitable to look. Okay, let us see which color inside that. Black only we need. If you need, you can select other color. Click on OK. Is it clear now? Now inner borders are here, children. If you need outer borders in different color, I will show you, children. Format cells. Which one? Set outer border only. Okay. For that we can select a different double line style. I take. Then I make it a little more increase its size. Then color also let us change. Which color we need, children? Dark blue is not here. Oh, it's not a good color. First color, if you want to select from here, children, let us see. Okay, this way you can change the color. Do you see now the changing color changing? Okay, where you are clicking, according to that the color will be there. But we select that color, that is why it is not. Okay, do you see now? I am taking this color. Click on OK. I cannot click there. Look here once more. Format cells, outer border, yes, that is here, children. I can see, but its width is not little more. The width little more needs to increase. Okay, format cells, width of the style 2. Okay, to show you I make that. Okay, then also this much only you can see, children. See with this much only. Here I can see. I don't know. Can you see this? Okay. Look here. If I am zooming this, I am thinking you can see. Do you see now? Two borders are here. Okay. Do you see now, children, the borders? Isn't it? I think you see that. Okay, children, do you see now the borders? Okay. Now, I think all of you see this. Now let us study one more thing, that is the formatting the cells and changing the degree. Look here, borders note, font effects, alignment. In that alignment you can see here text orientation, that is also said in your textbook in picture 1.64. If I selected these text, and if I made it is 0 degree now, children. Look here, I am making it as 90 degree. What is happening? 90 degree now. Do you see now? Click on OK. Do you see now what is happened? What is happened here? If you have no space, then you can do this way, children. These headings you can arrange in perpendicular way. Do you see now? That is coming in one line, and we can adjust the width in this way. Okay, this way also you can make it. House name we need this much because this name is little more bigger. Isn't it? Serial number and house number also we can little more reduce. Okay, now our table's length become reduced, isn't it? Okay, yes. Then this side also, if you need, you can select this way. This one we don't want. And format, cells, alignment, text orientation, 90 degree. Nice. Look. Click on OK. Do you see now? Is it clear, children? This also you can reduce the size this way, this way. Okay. This way let us reduce the size of the table. Now can you see these two columns? Here 2 lines, isn't it? Okay, children, this way we can format very easily and make it a little smaller this table. Okay. Next is your next part saying in your textbook is including chart. How can you include charts? Let us see. I am clicking outside of the table and inserting chart. About what we need to select for inserting chart. After selecting the cells, click on the chart tool in the toolbar is saying here, children, in your textbook activity 6.6. Look here, select the chart type. After that, first what we need, after selecting the cells, we need to select the cells, children. Okay, select the cells. Okay, we selected the cells. Then what we need, let us select it completely. What is happening? Let us look. Chart icon is given in your textbook. This one. Look here, insert chart. Okay, insert chart here and insert. Where is here, children? Object node chart. Okay, do you see? Let us click here. Now can you see the chart is already here? Okay, we selected, that is why the chart questionnaire consolidation is come here and the columns names also come here. Then total 1 2 3 according to 1 2 3 all the numbers and total also here. Okay, next we can change the chart type, children. Look here, bar chart. First chart is column chart. Look here, children, this way that you can see. And next one is bar chart. Look here, that is in another way you can see. Next pie chart. Do you see now pie chart? This is pie chart. These are the different styles of pie charts. Okay. If we are preparing pie chart, children, select one text data and one numerical data. Then only it is very properly will be there. The next one is the area chart, children. Look there, area chart. It's a types also here. Line chart. Okay. These are the types of charts while we are watching the TV. In cricket, its run rate you can see there. This way. Okay, as in the form of charts. Donut chart, net chart, bubble chart, XY scatter, etc. You can see here, children. Area. This chart we are seeing while the run rate, according to the run rate. Do you see what are the different? If here only two times, two ways only, you can see that. Then You can see properly that. Okay. Which one we need to select, children? You need this way? Don't want all the data here. That is why this is coming in this way. Line let us select it. Line, all the line chart. Do you see now line chart? Okay, this is the line chart. This is also another type of line chart. Do you see now? If there is two data, then two types of charts only you can see here. That is why here so many different types of charts. I am taking the column chart only now. Column chart. Second type of column chart. Do you see all the data in one line? Okay. Next, we can give in the next selecting the select the chart type. Then next in the next data series, data range, etc. You can see the data range. You can see here. Next, what data series you can see here. Next, chart elements. That is, click on the data type, data series. In next button, in chart elements, provide heading for the graph and name of the x and y axis. Which what we need here, children, as the heading, questionnaire consolidation or vegetable production. I am giving vegetable production. It is the main aim, isn't it? Vegetable is the main heading I am giving. Subtitle don't want it. X-axis what, children? In x-axis and y-axis what is the data? We need to understand, children. Here you understand that in x-axis what production per acre or production, and y-axis serial number given here in y-axis, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 up to 12 given. Look here. Then now what we need? We need to give a serial number, not a house. Simply I am giving house 1, 2, 3 like that. You want to understand. In y-axis production. Simply vegetable production, understand that. Then simply I gave that, children. Look here, these are the house, this is the production of that. Do you see house, production, vegetable production, etc. here? This is the legend. Legend means the indicating each color what indicate each data indicates what, column L, column J, column H, column F, like that it is indicating. Is it clear, children? Okay, like this way you can prepare. According to your textbook I prepared this, children. Look here. Now I deleted that legends. Now you can see the proper way of this chart. Okay, do you see now that legends we can avoid or you can add there. If you don't want it, we can avoid that. Is it clear now? Okay.